What's up, guys? So in today's video we're going to be adding some sound deadening material, some Kilmat, onto the TJ half doors. As you can hear, they just kind of sound a little cheap sounding when you open and close the door. So just going to put a couple sheets of this stuff in there to kind of sound deaden the door a little bit, make it sound a little bit less cheap and junky. Yeah, so we're just going to be putting this stuff in. All right, so we got a bunch of screws that we got to take off. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 T15s just to take out. So we'll go ahead and take these guys out real quick. Got one in the get a nice push in here, gonna pull it towards you. Get behind this and all right, well, after much long, got the door panel off, so we're just gonna get to work in here. All right, so next I'm just gonna clean the door. So why not? Clean the inside here. The surface I'm gonna be fixing up here. All right, so let's see how we do with this stuff. So I'm just gonna be able to fit a whole sheet in here. Okay, looks like I can get a full sheet in here. Take off this. Okay, I got it free in here. We can just go up as high as we can and over. And then I would recommend getting a little roller like this. I'm just gonna roll stuff in here. Okay, peel this sucker off and stick her down in here. Sweet. Sounds much better. I'm just gonna keep doing this and then I'll come back to you guys when I got it all finished, and then we'll do an A/B comparison between how the door sounds knocking it, closing it, and then compared to the other door that I haven't done yet. Alrighty, just finished up. So I was able to get all in there. I probably went over the top, but I just can't help myself. But even up in there, we got it in. Behind there. So I fit stuff pretty much everywhere. Pretty much every in there. So now I'll show you guys, I'll put this panel back on, and then I'll show you guys a comparison between the treated door and then the other door. So here's what this one sounds like. Kind of echoes in there. Do the knocking. Much lighter, a little bit more rattle. Even this right here, when it kind of locks back, feels way more solid. Still a Jeep. Much better, and the door feels a decent amount heavier, which is kind of nice. Feels a little bit more substantial. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for the video. That's sound treating the doors on the TJ to make it sound a little bit more quality, a little bit nicer. I'm gonna probably be doing this on Project X and be doing the doors, probably the floors, because he's got a nice stereo in it. So we'll probably be doing like a whole sound treatment for that. For me, the doors are just fine. I just didn't like how kind of rattly and cheap they sounded when they would close, and it sounds much better now. I'll leave a link in the description for the Kilmat, an affiliate link, so if you buy it, I get a little bit of kickback, which is greatly appreciated. And then I'll send you a link to the roller and then the actual Kilmat material itself too. It's really reasonable compared to like the Dynamat stuff, and pretty much the same. And for something, you know, as simple as a Jeep, it'll be just fine. They sell different thicknesses. This is the 50 mil. They sell some thicker ones if you would like that, but this 50 mil stuff worked just fine on the TJ. So anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.